Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 6-pack of wool dryer balls. Now, I've got a family of 5, and we do a ton of laundry. So these are gonna be fantastic. These are just little New Zealand wool balls that you put inside your dryer to help reduce the drying time, the static, and everything else. Super easy to use, and you can reuse these up to 1,000 times. So I'm gonna go put these in my dryer, got some laundry in there, and we will get them used in there. So here's the dryer ball up close. It's just a piece of wool that is in there that will help reduce all of that drying time. It's a nice sturdy ball. So we're gonna go put this in the dryer. Going to throw the ball in there, close that up, and then we will get it started up, and that will help reduce the drying time and make all of the clothes a little less staticky. And with the winter weather coming up especially, everything gets really dry and real staticky, and that ball should make such a difference.